In times when almost everyone seems to be focusing on the E-mini NASDAQ index, should we still pay attention to the E-mini S&P 500? Well, let's find out in this episode. Hi, my name is Thomas, also known as the Mr. Breakout. I'm a breakout trading specialist and an internationally recognized trading author. I've traveled the world trading breakout strategies, and on this channel I will teach you my own way of finding the right trading opportunities and making real money with breakout trading. Welcome back, breakout trading masters, breakout trading specialists, and fans of breakout trading. Very important question: should we still pay attention to the E-mini S&P 500? Everybody talks about E-mini NASDAQ. But historically, E-mini S&P always used to be very good market to create breakout strategies on. Personally, I develop hundreds and hundreds of different breakout trading strategies on E-mini NASDAQ using the Mr. Breakouts formula. But is this market still viable? We do deep analysis here, so let's have a look. Okay, so what I have here, I've just uploaded the E-mini S&P data history 18 years back and 60 minutes time frame. Okay, so 60 minutes time frame until the end of September 2025. And let's start with just overall analysis, seeing what's really going on in this quite popular, but now the number 2 popular market. So first of all, in 2025, we're actually seeing very good day trading action. We see that the day trading volatility, or let's say the day trading percent change, is higher than the previous year, higher than the 2 years ago, higher than 3 years ago, and I think it still can match the one 4 years ago. So overall, we've been having a pretty good upwards movement in 2025. That's good. How about volatility? Wow, guys, this is crazy. So we have one of the highest volatility ever. Okay, so this is probably 1 to 3rd highest volatility in the entire 18 years history. That's awesome. Like, you know, that's what we breakout traders want. We want volatility because we make money in the volatility. So we want volatility, and we definitely do have it here. And this is actually pretty good. So I'm surprised by what I'm seeing. Let's see, how about the quarterly trends? I always like to see quarterly trends. This is beautiful. Again, have a look. If we just discount the 2008, the E-mini S&P has very few negative quarters. Very few negative quarters. This is not normal. This is quite unusual. Like, very few negative quarters means quite a upward strong bias. Very good. I like what I'm seeing right now. And how about monthly comparison? So we can see we had a little bit slower months just lately, but overall, I would say this year, well, not too bad. We're seeing some peaks in monthly volatility. I would say this is a pretty good market, still trending quite a lot, and I like what I'm seeing. So let's do now more targeted analysis. Let's start with the volume mapping. So no surprise, the main volume starts 9 a.m. That means the market open or close to market open, and peaks 3 p.m. the Chicago time. But definitely the pre-market is quite tradable as well, with volume thousands and thousands. Insane. Aftermarket thousands and thousands. Again, the average volume per minute is 1.3K. Again, this is this is one of the highest volumes on all the futures contracts. That means E-mini S&P can be easily traded in pre-market, aftermarket, main sessions, wherever you want. Very good. And now a very quick shout out to our sponsor, BreakoutOS. In the new era of AI, everything you know about building trading strategies has changed completely. Old generalist principles no longer work. and that's why BreakoutOS is a complete game changer. It is a highly specialized no-code platform built for the AI revolution. It's the choice of true breakout trading professionals, from leading retail traders to hedge funds managers. This will fundamentally transform your workflow and change your trading forever. See the paradigm shift for yourself and sign up for a completely free walkthrough at www.breakoutos.com. Now let's have a look at the volatility mapping, and let's see what if we can, where can we potentially have some high volatility, even 2 or even 3% volatility movements, and we do have them. And we do have them mainly during the main session. So during the main session, we can have some very big moves, even 3% on an hourly bar per bar, and this is really good. So we can have some very high volatility on the down or up, both of them on Monday. On Tuesday, we can have some high volatility on up. Wednesday it's mixed. Thursday and Friday it's mixed. Overall, we can see that we can have some really high volatility peaks, even 3% or higher. That's enormous. Like if you think about it, having 3% on 60 minutes bars, that means there's a lot of potential. That's quite a lot. And the average daily is 1.26%. So 1.26% average daily volatility. Again, that's quite high. Not many markets do have that. So this is again telling me this is pretty good. We have a lot of volatility potentials for breakouts. The market is moving, okay? So we do have potential here. Now let's see, and now I'm really curious, the breakout suitability analysis. So what I want to see is how strong the trendiness is, okay? Now, meanwhile, we calculate this. Let me do just one quick reminder. If you are a breakout fan, don't forget that there is this amazing book about building breakout trading strategies that do work and make money on nearly any market on the thebreakouttradingrevolution.com. And here you can get simplified, very simplified version completely for free on the link below. So don't forget, especially if you are interested in breakout trading and if you're ready to make some serious money. Okay, let me get back to this. It's all calculating, and let's see what is the breakout trendiness and breakout stamina for the regular trading hours. Let me change these regular trading hours. Let's do it 8 to 3, okay? 8 to 3 is where we want to see the main session, and let's see how much of a trendiness we have in pre-market, main session, and aftermarket. Trendiness is basically telling us, is the market really trending? Is it trending well, or has it been trading well lately to make it considered for breakout trading? And I'm super curious about this one. This one is probably the most important analysis. So trendiness can be low quality. We do not want to trade in low quality trendiness, medium quality, and high quality. And basically what we're seeing here, let me have a look. Okay, so what we're seeing here, we can have a trendiness on long side, which is here, and short side. And what we want to see, so the good trendiness is where we have medium quality. That means medium quality trends or high quality trends with above average score. So above average scores means we have either medium quality trends, which are okay for small profit targets, or high quality trends, which are good for long profit targets. And we have those, we can have those, like how strong the score is. And what I can see here is we have a very high score of medium quality and high quality trends above average, and about 60, score about 60% or even above 55 is already a pretty good score for both, actually both. Wow, now I'm surprised, both long and short. So what is this one telling us is that if you want to go to day trading with E-mini S&P right now, focus on after hours, the aftermarket sessions, 3 p.m. till midnight, and you will see some good quality trends, above average quality on both long and short. And I think that's quite encouraging. So you can now develop long and short strategies in E-mini S&P because we have quality on both of them. That's not bad. So overall pre-market, it's a little bit all over the place. Main session, it's a little bit all over the place right now, but aftermarket has above average score for the medium quality trends for long and short, which means trends with a little bit smaller profit targets. Overall, the trend will not be as explosive as it could be, but we also see overall above average quality of above average score for high quality trends. We have a little bit of everything. So we definitely have a lot of above average low quality trends. So we have a lot of choppiness, but we also have medium quality and high quality trends above average for all of that, which means that you definitely need some good filter against choppiness. We do have a lot of choppiness in the aftermarket, but we also have some very explosive movements above average, which is good. So this one is showing explosive movements, above average explosive movements, and this one is showing normal movements. And we have pretty high, like about 60%. It's really good, and we have a lot of good quality normal movements on low and long and short side. And explosive movements, we have some very explosive movements on the short side. Not bad guys at all. Now let's have a look for swing trading, and I want to now compare whether we should trade E-mini S&P right now in day trading or swing trading. It can be a completely different game. So let's have a look. I'm quite curious myself. And the trendiness, okay, so now we're seeing longer. This is pretty good. What we can see that we actually have, so we have a lot of high quality trends in swing trading on the long side, and both long and short side. We still have above average on long side the normal quality trends, and we also have a lot of choppiness, okay, on the long side. But overall, this is excellent. So 60%, this is excellent number. This is telling us that we have quite a good amount of explosive movements on the long side for swing trading. And we also have quite a good amount, above average amount on medium quality trends. That means normal trendiness, normal trends, okay? And we also have still a lot of choppiness, low quality, a lot of choppiness. Again, to trade right now, to trade this market, both day trading and swing trading, we do need some choppiness filter. Let's see, 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, pretty much similar. So yes, okay. So right now, what do we know? If you want to day trade E-mini S&P right now, do it in the aftermarket, after the regular trading hours, both long and short. If you want to swing trade, build swing trading strategies for a couple of days, do it on the long side, and actually you will have quite a good quality movements there, explosive, and actually on the short side as well. So you can now catch up some really nice trends, both long and short in E-mini S&P. But for the long side, you also will have a lot of choppiness, above average choppiness. So you need to, by any means, you need to have some good filter against the choppiness. Now, how about stamina? So what is the breakout stamina? So trendiness is how explosive is the trend. We can have low explosive, which is choppiness, medium explosive, which are normal trends, and high quality, which are really explosive, big moves. But we can also have this is what we call stamina, and that means how much the trend lasts. And what we can see, so for swing trading, the trends do not last much. Okay, below average stamina downtrend, below stamina uptrend do not last much. Okay, how about for day trading? That's not good. We want trades which do last. So obviously what's going on here is just we have an explosion. We can quickly make some money, but it doesn't last. Okay, so in swing trading we have to have probably we would have to have quick exits, few bars exits, or a rather tighter profit targets and stop losses, because once there's an explosive movement, it explodes. But we need to get out pretty quickly, and we should not stay long because there's no stamina. The trend will not last much. For day trading, the stamina is actually similar. Wherever we see below average stamina, so there's no stamina. Okay, so how would I trade E-mini S&P right now? Is it still good market? Yes, absolutely. There is trendiness. There is strong trendiness. There is volatility. There is volume. Fantastic market. E-mini S&P is not out at all. I would trade it both day trading and swing trading. For day trading, right now, strategies focusing on aftermarket will probably do a little bit better. Swing trading, definitely doable on the long side, very, very well. But for both day trading and swing trading, we need to have a quicker exit. Okay, you cannot wait the number of bars you used to before, or tighter stop losses and profit targets. There's no stamina, so there will be explosion, there will be movement. You need to catch up that movement quickly and then get out, because it will not last. There's no stamina right now. But yes, very tradable. You still can make amazing strategies. Just get out faster and make sure to use some good filters, which will help you to filter out a lot of choppiness. Now, if you like analysis like this, I'm every week I'm doing some kind of analysis, bringing you tips, strategies. Analysis like this, very practical, really professional. That's what we do in our hedge fund as well. So don't forget to subscribe, because here you can learn how to really trade really well and profitably. Again, don't forget to get the Mr. Breakout's formula book at the Breakout Trading Revolution, or the free research on the link below. It's very important you master breakout trading if you want to become a breakout trading master and specialist like me, and build a meaningful journey, travel the world like I do, and have a really comfortable life. And finally, don't forget to like this video if you want more content like this, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. So meanwhile, happy breakout trading.